The market is a lucrative yet intimidating place. All of you have seen the wealth the market holds. You've all done it, you've all gotten out your calculators and tried to determine if you could just get in here or get out there, how much money you could make. But then you try it and it turns out to be much more complicated than you realize. Or was that just your perception? What if it really wasn't that complicated? What if it really was as simple as you initially thought it could be? What if all the garbage that has been marketed in the industry has just been distractions and deterrents from what you know is possible? We're here to tell you that the market really isn't as complicated as most people make it. We're here to tell you that people really do have the success you always thought and knew was possible. The prediction point trading method is an ultra simple, easy to understand way of approaching the market. It consists of 4 main components. The first component to the prediction point trading method is prediction points. These uncanny price levels have held their ground with accurately detecting the market's heartbeat, the ups and downs of intraday market movement, every single day since their inception in 2007. Pinpointing very specific price levels where the market is most likely to find its highest probable rises and falls has attracted worldwide attention amongst traders and fund managers alike. Next are the prediction point daily range prices. Imagine knowing in advance where the market is expected to trade during the day. Have you ever wanted to know the high and the low for the day in advance of the market even opening? These price levels do just that and more. You'll not only know the expected high and low for each day, but also have at your fingertips the most incredible insight on how to use this knowledge. Third is the prediction point overbought oversold rating. This instrument is very different from the normal lagging oscillators and RSI indicators the majority of traders use. The problem with oscillators and RSI indicators is that they're lagging and don't give you a true picture of what the market is really trying to tell you. Our proprietary predictive modeling techniques provide the most accurate picture of what the market is going to do than any other instrument on the market. What's more, it's super easy to understand and materialize in a live trading environment. This fourth and final component is a must-see to believe. There's a little known secret in a small segment of the trading world that has only been used by a select group of people. When most people first learn of this, it is often disregarded because it is just too hard for people to believe or grasp the concept of. But I assure you, once you understand not just how simplistic this is, but how accurately it performs in the market, you'll wonder what you did without it. The prediction point trading map is just that, a literal map of the predicted movement and its predicted turning points for the next day. Tools less reliable and inferior to this have been offered for acquisition at tens of millions. The prediction point map will be at your fingertips each and every day, giving you a clear path to follow. For something to hold this much value and be available right now is a must-have for all traders. Combining these 4 components and the simplistic method of using them in the live market provides an unstoppable advantage. They give you the type of edge traders only dream of. The best part about it is that prediction point trading proves its theories and market predictions every single day. Not a day goes by without the market reacting to our daily projections, and in an uncanny way, I might add. The market is at each of your fingertips. Trillions upon trillions of dollars are exchanged each and every day. With our changing world and the onslaught of high-frequency trading becoming more prevalent, a new and more efficient way to capitalize on market movement must become available. Who uses prediction points? Fund managers, institutional investors, but most of all, people like you. Prediction points, along with these specialized tools mentioned, are quickly becoming disruptive in the marketplace. A new paradigm is emerging. It used to be that only highly specialized knowledge and tremendous amounts of capital would ensure profitability, and that only the most astute individuals could do it. This is no longer, and is quickly becoming farther from the truth. In fact, most traders that have had at least 3 months of exposure to the market are reporting a complete understanding of the prediction point trading method within a couple of hours. Others who have never before touched the market are getting the hang of it within a matter of days. This is the way it should be. You shouldn't have to spend years and years to finally acquire the wherewithal to extract profits from the market. There is far too much loot available each and every day in the market for you not to be able to simply make a few calculated decisions and walk away with your take. It doesn't happen very often that a new innovation penetrates the world economy that completely changes the face of how a procedure is done. The prediction point trading method is disruptive innovation. A colleague of Professor Clay Christensen of Harvard Business School remarks, "Disruptive innovation is something that transforms existing markets or creates new ones by making something simple, affordable, accessible, or convenient." The prediction point trading method is simple, affordable, and you can access it right now. You'll learn how to determine where to buy and sell before the market opens each day. You'll learn the highest probable yet conservative trade entries and the greatest ways to maximize profits while minimizing risk. You'll learn the meaning of specific prediction point numbers and how to use them to your advantage. You'll learn how to use the overbought oversold rating in a way that gives you an edge over all other market participants. You'll also learn how to use the prediction point map, acting as both your guide and catalyst to profits you always knew were possible. The best part about it is that you'll have all of this information, knowledge, and know-how before the market even opens the next day. You can check motion and fear at the door because you'll now have the confidence you always wanted simply because you will have a trading plan that you'll know how to implement before your day even begins. It's important that you know that only portions of this information were provided to a private group of traders who each gladly paid thousands each month for this information. You'll quickly see why they were so happy to do it once you understand how simple the prediction point trading method is. The best part about it is that we've packaged it in a way that just about anyone can afford. It's going to be difficult to change this paradigm we've spoken of if these priceless tools are out of the financial reach of most people. So to help you start realizing the success you know is possible, enroll during the month of January 2013 and receive $1,500 off the already low price of the enrollment. Our goal is to make profitable traders. Take this savings and put it to work for you. Join us today and begin your journey in a new world of profits. Be sure to enter code METHOD upon checkout. That's METHOD. It's time to make money. Start today.